Crackling fireworks, thunderous storms, these can turn our canine companions into trembling wrecks. But fret not, we've got tips to help soothe their fears. Tip 1. Create a safe space. Dogs often seek shelter when scared, so provide a comfy, secure spot. Tip 2. Use noise-canceling dog headphones or calming music specifically designed for dogs. Tip 3. Consider calming wraps. They apply gentle, constant pressure, helping dogs feel secure. Tip 4. Distraction. A new toy or their favorite game can help. Remember, every dog is different. What works for one might not work for another. Keep trying, and keep loving your furry friend.